We're gonna press start and we're gonna see who won this set. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and press start. What is up, guys? Astroice Jewelry in the building with another video for you guys, man. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video to see who won the giveaway from last video. Guys, today we have some beautiful pieces on this table. We're gonna be doing a 2021 iced out jewelry collection, man. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you show love. Go ahead and comment down below, man. So let's get into this video. We're gonna show you guys some beautiful pieces that you guys can see right here on this table. And we're gonna show you guys the 2021 iced out jewelry collection, man. And you know it's gonna be crazy. Alright guys, so the first thing we're gonna start off with is with our iced out chains, man. We have Cuban Links, we have here we have the Cuban and Gucci. Here we have our 12mm, our 19mm. We got a whole bunch of beautiful chains right there for you guys, man. I'm gonna go ahead and throw them on the neck. I'm gonna show you guys some close-ups, show you guys the detail, the quality, and you guys are gonna be amazed, man. Astroice Jewelry, we do not play when it comes to quality, when it comes to prices, when it comes to anything, man. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the chains that I have for our 2021 iced out jewelry collection. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so right here, as you guys can see, we have our 12mm prongs at Cuban Link, one of our most popular chains on our website, and you guys can definitely see why right there. A beautiful gold plating on the back, and our stones hit like crazy, as you guys can see right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on the neck and show you guys how it's looking. Let's get to it. All right, guys, this is it right here on the neck, as you guys can see. We're gonna go ahead and throw some pendants on it later when we get to that section of the pendants. But this is our 12mm prongs at Cuban Link, one of our very popular chains on our website, and you guys can see why right here, man. It's a very nice look. It's not too big, it's not too small, and people just love this style right here. Astroice Jewelry in the building, man, coming to you guys with the best reviews. And you guys already know, man, the best quality, the best prices. Yes, sir. Let's get it. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, guys, right here is our 10mm iced out Cuban Link. And you guys can see, man, the quality on this thing is crazy. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on the neck for you guys, show you guys how it's looking. Let's get to it. Gotta go ahead and put this on. Usually they're very simple to put on. You just gotta get some practice. You can put them on super fast after that, once you get used to it. But you guys can see, man, the shine on this thing is just crazy, as you guys can see, man. Show them the box lock too. Show them the box lock. And as you guys can see, man, the quality on these chains are just amazing. From the front, from the back, wherever you look, whatever angle you look at this chain, man, it's just an amazing shine. As you guys can see, it's in white gold. If you guys want to see any other videos, feel free to DM us at astroice_jewelry, and we can send you a video of whatever chain you want in whatever color. All right, guys, we're gonna move on to the next one. I don't want to take up too much time. Here we have our rose gold 19mm Cuban Link. Let me go ahead and show you guys that first. Man, look at the quality on this thing, man. I told you guys we do not play with quality. All right, go ahead and throw it on the neck. Show you guys how it's looking. Boom, boom, boom. Yes, sir, man. Rose gold, man. You guys know rose gold is a beautiful color, especially when it's combined with white gold. You guys see that right there. The box lock in the back. And this thing is just shining like crazy, as you guys can see. Boom, boom, boom. All right, let's show you guys the white gold, which I also have in our 2021 Astroice Jewelry collection. It's right here. And I know a lot of you guys like this chain, man. This is also one of our top sellers on our website. And this thing just sells like crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on. On the neck. Boom. Look at that right there, man. Look at the quality on that chain right there. 19mm iced out Cuban Link in white gold. As you guys can see, let me go ahead and bring that lock to the front for you guys. I know some of you guys like to wear it like that. And this chain just looks amazing, as you guys can see, man. And the prices that we have beat everybody's prices. Quality, prices, everything, man, as you guys can see. Astroice Jewelry in the building, man. Let's get it. All right, let's move on to the next one. For the next one, we have our all white gold Cuban and Gucci. And this chain right here is an amazing chain. Now, I'm not gonna go ahead and put this one on because I wanna show you guys this one. This one right here is my favorite because it combines these two beautiful colors together, rose gold and white gold. And you guys can see, man, that is just a perfect combination right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on for you guys, show you guys how it looks on the neck. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh, this one a little short. I think these are all like around 18 inches, which is usually what I like, because once you put the pendant on it, it'll bring it down a little bit. But if you want to wear the chain by itself, you'll probably go with like 20 inches. You guys can see, man, this thing looks amazing, as you guys can see. Show them the back. Astroice jewelry in the building, man. You guys already know, the best of the best. We're gonna have you shining here like a star, man. You guys can see. Boom, boom, boom. All right, let's get on to the next one. Now for the next one, our cluster tennis chain is one of the most popular tennis chains on our website. And look at that shine, man. You guys can obviously see why. This thing doesn't need light, doesn't need nothing. These stones just hit like crazy. Let me go ahead and throw it on for you guys. All right. Okay. And boom, you put a pendant on that. We have beautiful pendants to put on this chain. Or if you just, because this already a lot of ice, just how it is right there. So, you know, I wouldn't blame you if you just kept it without a pendant, but this chain right here is a beautiful chain, as you guys can see, and the shine is just incredible. A lot of people buy this chain because they just want to wear it by itself, have some nice shine. It's simple and crazy at the same time. But yeah, man, this chain right here is also a very popular chain on our website. All right, so next I'm gonna throw in the tennis chains. All right, so right here is our 3mm tennis chain. This is actually one of my favorites because it's not too big. It's a little bit more on the small side, but I really like it, especially if you want to double stack it. That double stack tennis chain look, it just looks amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on a 4mm for you guys and show you guys stacked tennis chains in general just look amazing. So here's the 4mm. Go ahead and throw this one on. See if I can get it. Okay, got it. And I think these are both 18 inches if I'm not mistaken. And you guys can see, man, the look on these chains are amazing. Tennis chains sell like water. These things sell like water because they are water, man. You see the stones on this thing, these things just be shining like crazy, as you guys can see, man. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the 5mm on. And this is a big boy right here. Give him a nice close up. If you guys want your stones to be hitting nice and big, the 5mm is a great option. All right, go ahead and put this on for you guys. Boom. Oh my God. Woo. I'm about to freeze, boy. I got too much ice on my neck right now, man. You guys can see that right there. Astroice jewelry in the building, man. Coming to you guys with the best reviews, man. You guys already know. All right. So that's it for the tennis chains. Now we're gonna go into the bracelets, and then we're gonna show you guys some pendants. All right, guys. So right here we have our 12mm bracelet, a very popular option for bracelets. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on and show you guys how it looks. All right, guys. This is it right here on my wrist, and as you guys can see, man, this is a great option for a real nice iced out bracelet. Let me go ahead and. Yes, sir. Look at that. Box lock on the other side right there. And this is just a perfect option if you're trying to get a real clean, iced out bracelet. It's not too big, not too small. It's perfect right here in size. All right, guys, right here we have our 10mm iced out Cuban Link bracelet. So this one right here is one of my favorites because it's like almost the same size as the 12mm, but a little bit smaller, which I actually like. And I also like how the sides are kind of like rounded, so the ice is hitting from all different types of angles, and it just looks amazing, as you guys can see right there. A perfect setup right there. All right, next we're gonna go into the cluster bracelet, our cluster tennis chain bracelet, as you guys can see right here. And this is just the same thing as a chain, but on the wrist, man. So you're gonna have your neck and wrist on ice, man. Let me go ahead and show you guys that real quick. All right, that's it right there on the wrist. And you guys can see, man, this thing will have your wrist on ice, man. It just hits like crazy. As you guys can see, there's a lock right there, and that thing just looks amazing, man. Astroice jewelry in the building, man. Everything is down in the description below. All right, guys, here are the pendants for our 2021 iced out jewelry collection. Right here is one of the styles for our custom letters, and as you guys can see, man, this thing is just amazing with a solid back, as you guys can see right there. But man, the quality on this pendant right here, and the style and everything, this thing is just crazy right here. As you guys can see, look at that. Oh my gosh, look how them stones is hitting. All right, and then we have, for you guys who like the classic look, here's the classic bubble letter look. And you guys can see here too, man, the stones is just, oh my gosh, man. Our quality, man, we do not play with our quality. If you guys want a whole video of our custom pendants, comment down below, man, and we'll make a whole video reviewing all of our styles. Here's one of our styles with blue enamel, and man, this thing just looks amazing. As you guys can see, the enamel looks great, and the stones on this thing, it just looks amazing, as you guys can see right there. The bail is all iced out, you can see right there too, and the shine on this thing is crazy with the solid back, as you guys can see. Okay, then we have our Hamsa right here, and this pendant right here, man, is definitely one of my favorites, man. I love the style, I love the meaning behind the Hamsa, and it's just an amazing look right here. Right here is another one of our very popular pendants, and as you guys can see, man, they got the big stones all around the cross right here, and then the small stones icing it out. Even on the side we're iced out, and on the bail. Right here we have the XL broken heart, and this right here is definitely a very popular option too. The stones on this thing is just crazy. We have the red enamel on the inside, a caged back. And as you guys can see, man, this is another one of our crazy pendants right here. This one you would use on the 12mm prong set Cuban link. This one right here fits on the 10mm prong set Cuban link. This one can fit on the 19 or the 12 or the cluster tennis chain. This right here you would use on the 19mm prong set Cuban link or any 19mm chain. You would use this on a tennis chain or something that fits around a 4mm size. Same thing for this one, tennis chain or anything around a 4mm size, rope chain. All right guys, right here is some combos that I put on my neck all together for you guys. Right here we have the bubble letters. Here we have the cross, we have the Hamsa, we have the broken heart. We have a whole bunch of pendants, a whole bunch of chains. You guys can mix and match a lot of them. If you have any questions about the bail size, just go ahead and DM us at Astroice_jewelry. We'll answer any questions, all that good stuff. But now it's time to announce the winner of last video's giveaway. So we're gonna go ahead, open up this laptop and see who won this giveaway. Let's get to it. All right guys, so we have it right here. I just put the URL. I filter the duplicate users. We're gonna go here. We're gonna press start. And we're gonna see who won this set. Remember, you can choose any set you want with a chain and pendant combination. You're gonna be looking like me. A real nice combo for you guys. And you guys can see, man, Astroice Jewelry, we do not play, man, with our quality, with everything, man. We got the best prices, as you guys can see right here. So who's ready to be looking like this? Let's see. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and press start. We got a good amount of comments here. And the winner is the unknown. He said, she. He says she's that 10mm Cuban with a Hamsa and white gold. Man, you just won one right now, man. So I hope you go ahead and contact us, man. Astroice_jewelry or at Astroice at gmail.com, whatever you want, through email or through Instagram. Congratulations on the win, man. Now you're gonna be looking dripped out just like me. Thank you for entering. Thank you everybody who entered, and we're gonna have a lot more giveaways coming very soon, and we got a lot of cool videos coming very soon. All right guys, thank you guys for watching the video, man. Thank you guys for all the love and support you guys show, man. It's really appreciated, for real. And you guys know, man, my job is to get you guys iced out at the best prices and the best quality, and that's what I do for you guys, man. Astroice Jewelry, go ahead and search us up, astroicejewelry.com, man. Link in the description, and go ahead and shop with us, man. We love you guys. Thank you guys for all the support and love. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And thank you guys for watching the video. We out.